Tama po ba yung narinig ko na currently walang nagde-default na STL operator in their GMMRR?
Hindi
Yun ang
po
intindi ko kasi
100%
sa sagot
pero
mo eh.
almost 98% po. Meron
Okay.
po 1 to 2 po na mga AEC
Sandali,
natin po.
sandali, Congressman. That is in violation of your own IRR. Kasi nakalagay dito, monthly sales report per province, municipality, city, or areas of operation of activities must be submitted on the NCR.
Yes po.
O ba,
Kaya
sinabi
nga po
mo-
pag hindi po sila nakarimit, automatic po
Hindi,
tineterminate po
we're
sila.
talking about the reporting. Kasi,
Did you answer yes?
Yes po.
Yes. Okay. Mr. Chairman, mali. I will tell you, ma'am. Kasi itong GMMR, the purpose of GMMR is for the government to collect at least the minimum. Tama? Tama?
Correct po, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, kasi, before that GMMR, ang nangyayari kasi is, still operations, kaya nagkakagulo sila, but in fact, ang dami mga ACC operator na time na pinatawag din, nagkagulo dahil walang cap. Tama?
Correct po.
Okay. Now, kaya lumabas yung guidelines with regards to GMMR. GMRR.
Opo.
Okay? Tama?
Correct po.
Now, I think it was, sabi natin, to be safe, that was 7 years ago. Kailan ba talaga eksakto yung GMMR na policy lumabas, na guidelines?
2018 po.
2018. So tama ako, mga 6
Opo.
years, no?
Opo.
6 years ago. Now, question. Have you reviewed? Kasi, are you with the PCSO during the time?
Yes po.
Nandiyan ka.
Opo.
So sa mga hearing, nandiyan ka rin.
Opo. Hindi niyo na po.
Okay, nandiyan ka, di ba?
Opo.
Now, the basis on that GMMR, if you remember, is all about dahil maraming bukis, tama?
Correct po.
Dahil luging gobyerno, tama? Dahil it seems that the whims of the operators, ang operators ang nagdidikta how much will be for the government. Hindi natin alam yung kinikita ng GMMR tayo. But that was 6 years ago.
Yes, po.
And as far as I understand, that GMMR, which is the issue now being raised by Chairman Dan Fernandez, then is subject to review and assessment because that GMMR actually was not a product of a deep study. Diba? Ang basis na natin noon is dahil lugi ang gobyerno, kita-kita. Kaya it's better na may cap, no? Minimum collection ng gobyerno is ganito, pumasok na lang yung formula because that is the palliative solution of the government. Tama?
Correct po.
Kaya pumasok yung formula. Pero not the formula itself, na yun na yung solusyon. That is a palliative move of government para at least masiguro ng gobyerno na at least may minimum na remittances that will go to the coffers of government. Tama? To PCSO, tama?
Tama po.
Oh, now, question. In 6 years' time, na-review nyo na ba?
Your Honor, actually po kasi yung 2020 STLIR namin, 3 years ago po yun, yung approved po by the OP. Meron na po kami ngayon parang...
Ma'am, sorry. Approval by the OP. So you recommend it to the OP. And of course, the OP will only rely with the PCSO.
Yes
Tama?
po. Correct po.
Oh,
So,
and you cannot blame the OP to sign it or approve your proposed IRR. Tama?
yes po.
Oh, now question. 3 years. Sabi 3 years. Di ba? Ang tanong ngayon, what is the difference between the operation 6 years ago and now with regards to policy? Nothing.
Actually po
And then,
ngayon,
what, ma'am, before you answer, what I'm talking is about the GMMR, which was raised by Chairman Dan Fernandez. What is the difference?
guaranteed na po yung kanilang
And then the guarantee
return
nga, ang sinasabi ko nga, the guarantee was 6 years ago. Tama? That was 2018.
I would like to inform po the committee that we have a separate group po. We call it SCG po. Yun po yung STL core group po na studying po yung yung GMRR po namin. Sila
Okay.
po ang nasa policy po. To
So,
be,
are you familiar with that in detail?
no po. Kasi po
and
nasa
who is-
operations po ko.
And who is the head of that particular team?
It's headed by our GM po.
Oh.
And
all the more that the GM, Mr. Chairman, should be present because the representative that was delegated to this committee cannot answer the question raised by this committee. All the more that the GM should be present on the next hearing, Mr. Chairman. Now, let me proceed, Mr. Chairman, with my query.
Sige, go
Now,
ahead.
in general terms, please explain to me what is the difference 6 years ago with regards to the policy or IRR in relation to the GMRR.
The difference po is that yung present po naming AAC ngayon, yung kanilang pong GMRR po, fully po nare-remit nila sa PCSO.
Again, that is not the correct answer. The question is, what is the difference? Kasi po, I understand. Dati, ako si ACC, lumabas yung GMRR, some of them cannot comply. Di ba?
Yes po.
But now, nako-comply na, tama? Yun yung statement mo
Yes
di
po.
ba? And now submit to us all the compliance
Yes po.
for the
Yes po.
past 6 years
Yes po.
para makita natin yung trend. Now, again, my question is all about the IRR,
Mr.
not
Chair,
the compliance.
Mr. Chair, hindi ko po nakuha yung sagot eh.
Congressman Akop, what?
With the indulgence of the Honorable Paduano.
No, sige, go ahead.
Tama po ba yung narinig ko na currently walang nagde-default na STL operator in their GMMRR?
Hindi
Yun ang
po
intindi ko kasi
100%
sa
pero
sagot ko eh.
almost 98% po. Meron po 1 to 2 po na mga AAC
Sandali,
natin po.
sandali, Congressman. That is in violation of your own IRR. Kasi nakalagay dito, monthly sales report per province, municipality, city, or areas of operation of activities must be submitted on the NCR.
Yes po.
O ba,
Kaya
sinabi
nga
mo-
po pag hindi po sila nakarimit, automatic po
Hindi,
tineterminate
we're
po sila.
talking about the reporting. Kasi yung sinasabi nila, hindi 98% hindi nila receive a report.
Hindi po, 98% po ng AEC natin fully remits their sales. Pero nagre-report po sila monthly po sa amin.
So may
talaga.
reporting.
Yes po,
Okay, okay.
100% po.
98%. Tama? So, yung 2%, ilan po kayang operators yun?
Meron po kasi kaming na-terminate lang, parang last year lang po yung sa Surigao del Norte. Parang mga last year parang ang na-terminate lang po namin for failure of non-remittance is for 1 or 2.
1 or 2.
Opo.
So, 2. So, ibig sabihin sa 100, dalawa lang ang hindi nakapag-remit ng GMMRR.
GMRR po.
O, hindi. GMMRR yun
Ay,
kasi gross minimum monthly retail receipt yan eh.
Yeah.
Opo.
Kaya sabi ko, GMMRR.
Yeah.
Kasi nung pa natin ito pinag-uusapan eh, di
Yes
ba?
po.
Yes.
In fact
So-
po, if I may po, I'm very thankful nga po nung mga last congressional hearings namin. Kasi po yung 2020 IR po, in-incorporate po namin doon yung mga suggestions and comments.
Now, yung mga hindi nakapag-remit, na naalis na po sila.
Yes po.
Pursuant to your IRR
Yes po.
2020.
Opo.
Thank you, Mr.
Hindi,
Chair.
meron ako
Yeah,
singit.
yeah.
Meron ako singit, Congressman Paduano. Okay. Meron kayong monthly sales report, di ba? Meron.
Meron
Okay.
po.
Pero in accordance with the GMMRR, fixed sila.
Opo.
What's the sense of having the monthly report if they have fixed payment?
Because we have to monitor
Ha?
po. Daily po kasi yung remittance nila sa amin ng share ng
Oo nga,
PCSO
daily.
po.
Okay, daily. Pero fixed na yun eh. Kasi nag-compute na kayo ng PMMRR eh. Di ba? Sabi nyo sa presumptive monthly retail receipt nyo. Okay, tayo is 30% of the actual voting population times mo sa 750 times mo sa 30 days. That is the fixed amount that we're going to receive. Tama?
Your Honor po, iba po kasi yung PMRR na computation namin. Iba po yung guaranteed po nila sa amin.
So in other words, ito lang yung basis nyo.
Opo,
Ito
ang
yung baseline,
PMRR
yung
po.
PMRR.
Yes po, that's the baseline.
Tapos, dun yung base yung GMMRR.
Opo.
So ngayon, paano kayo nag-come out sa GMMRR kung ito yung baseline ninyo na PMRR?
First po yung may BMRR kami, yun po yung pinaka-baseline namin. And then yung mga AAC po, sila po yung nag-o-offer sa amin ng guaranteed minimum monthly retail receipts.
And with that, dahil guaranteed na kayo doon sa GMMRR, so secured. Di ba? Secured. Ito yung sabi
Yes
ko nung
po.
last hearing eh.
Yes po.
So kapag secure ka
Correct
na, kaya hindi nyo na monitor yung sa ibaba kung saan nanggaling yung pera, kung galing sa legal o illegal. Yun yung tinatanong ko dun sa regional director niyo eh.
Yung line of questioning ko. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, when you ask the good lady with regards to secured and fixed, did I hear it right? You answer yes? Secure and fixed? You said yes?
May cases po na mga
No, no,
AECs.
no. I'm just asking. Did you answer yes?
Yes po.
Yes. Okay. Mr. Chairman, mali. I will tell you, ma'am. Fix, fix and secured. Now, again, let me go back to 6 years ago. As I've said, that GMMRR is just a palliative solution of government making sure that this AAC will pay the government at the minimum amount. Tama? And that is not fixed. That is fixed. Why? Because the GMMR is the maximum payment. Tama? Over the GMMR, over the sales, if the sales will go beyond, for example, 20 million yung GMMR ng isang ACC, it goes beyond 20 million, hindi ko kolektahin ng gobyerno? For example,
Kino-collect pa rin po namin.
kaya nga, Chairman, kaya nga, mali ang sagot mo because the question is it fixed? No. Because GMMR will only ensure the minimum payment of ACC. Tama? Tama?
Yes po.
Oh, kaya mali.
Sige po,
Mali
I
sa
stand
doon mo.
corrected po.
Now, second secure. Sabi mo yes din?
Yes,
Oh. Mali pa rin. Because it is not secure, fixed and secure, Mr. Chairman. Because as I've said, that is just a palliative solution to the problem of government during the time. Now, kaya nga dinalikan ko, sabi mo 3 years ago, o 3 years, may IRR kayo na pinirmahan ng presidente. Tama?
Yes po.
Now, what is the difference? We're talking about the GMMRR. What is the difference? Just to make sure that now, upon the signing or the implementation of such new IRR, the collection of government sa ACC is secure. What are those specific steps from your IRR that you will convince this honorable committee and this representation that indeed secure na? Kasi I don't believe. Why, Mr. Chairman? Ako, wag mo na lang, ma'am, sagutin. Better you check your boss. Dapat nandito yung boss mo. Alam mo bakit? Kaya nga nagka-problema tayo dito sa STL with the PNP. Di ba? You are present at the last hearing. Tama? Nandito ka, di ba?
Last hearing po, wala po.
Wala ka, yun ang problema. Mr. Chairman, again, dapat on the next hearing, Ms. Gaboyo should be present for continuity of the discussion, Mr. Chairman, and the GM. Now, to inform you, man, on the last hearing, a lot of complaints, kawawa na yung mga pulis lagi, of course, except for a few, the bad eggs na involved in illegal gambling, kawawa laging pulis, kasi ma'am, alam mo, ang report nila, they will apprehend bukis, yung nagtataya. No? Huhulihin. And all of a sudden, lalabas kayo ng certification. Coming from the ACC, coming from PCSO. And the question is it the new IRR make sure that the interest of government is secure? No, ma'am. Kaya nga, nandito tayo ngayon.
Your Honor, if I may answer po.
Yes,
Okay
please.
po. With due respect to our mga law enforcement po, pag humingi po sila ng certification sa amin, sinecertify po namin based on record kung yun po talaga is authorized namin yung substation, yung mga booths po, and then based din po sa certification po ng mga AEC namin, sila po ay naka-employed. Nagbibigay din po kami ng certification na hindi po sila nasa record namin. And truth of that matter is sa NCR po, marami po kaming cases na ngayon na naka-file na po. In fact po, ma-attend po kami ng mga hearing. So depende po sa certification.
Sorry to cut you short. Certification is not a guarantee for the security of government with regards to bookies. You know what? Wala naman kayo dun sa baba eh. I ask you, do you have a personnel in Bacolod City? No. You rely with ECC. Tama? Tama, di ba? Yes or no? May tao ba kayo sa baba? Wala.
Meron po kaming branch offices po.
Sa Bacolod?
Yes po.
offices na it is being run by your office or the ACC?
Being run by our office po. Meron po kaming branch office po.
Sa Bacolod City, meron kayo?
Nasa
Are you
Silay, nasa Silay po siya naka-station.
Okay,
Pero
oh,
sa buong
excuse me.
Negros
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
Occidental
Sandali
po.
po. You're talking about Silay. I am from Bacolod City. I am from Negros Occidental. That office is being run by ACC. May tao kayo doon, isa. Tama?
Ano po yung office? Baka po substation ng AEC po.
Madam,
Iba po yung
Madam,
nire-refer ko po
Silay-
na branch office po.
Silay covers the whole Negros Occidental.
Yes po, yung branch
Nandun
office
yung
po
bola.
namin.
Nandun yung bola, di ba?
Yes po.
Oo, nandun din yung ACC nyo.
Hmm.
Ay, anyway, madam, ganito lang kasimple po. Isipin mo, ganito lang kasimple ha. Again, I want the GM to be present in the next hearing. Kasi ako, question of policy matters. Now, ang sinasabi ko, ma'am, eto ha, please, open your mind. May problema kayo. In the implementation, kaya ang IRR dapat ayusin natin. Mama, ito, GMMR, sabi nyo, okay na kami. But the real McCoy is, huhulihin ng pulis, mama, makinig ka. Huhulihin ng pulis, ngayon kayo may listahan, tama? And who gives you the list? Ng lahat ng kubrador. It's the ACC, di ba?
Din po.
Oh, now, ito mama, ang daming hinuli ng pulis, walang uniform, walang IDs. Then, paila ng case, the ACC intervenes with the certification coming from the PCSO. Ayan yung reality. Yan ang nangyayari. Kaya nga, mamaya tatanungin ko yung pulis eh. Alam mo ma'am, mas marami dito ang dismissal kaysa conviction. And we always blame the police. Supposedly, tayo. Sabi ko nga, that was 6 years ago. And nothing happens. And you cannot convince me that GMMR will fix and will secure the interest of collection of government. Ma'am, please.
If I may po, on the part naman po ng PCSO, yes po, at least po naman meron kaming, may kita po kami na
Yeah, I am not saying about the kita because that was 16 years ago and beyond pa. That's why may GMR because the palliative that was the, ma'am, paulit-ulit na tayo dito. Sabi natin 7 years ago, problema STL, anong palliative solution? GMR. And until now, GMR pa rin. And that's told the question of security and ensuring the proper collection of PCSO to the ACC. I have nothing against ACC. I have nothing against numbers game for as long as it is legal, ma'am. Maglulukuhan pa tayo dito na walang bukis?
that's why nga po we are asking for help din po from
Kaya nga,
our law
sinasabi ko
enforcement
sa iyo,
po.
ma'am, you should be straight to answer my query.
Yes
It
po.
is a matter of policy. Nang tanong ko lang diretso, may bago ba doon sa GMR? Just to make sure na may cap ka at the same time, sigurado ka na walang bukis?
We are not sure if there's a...
That's why I'm not talking about specific.
Your Honor,
Ma'am,
ganito lang po.
sandali.
Opo.
I'm not talking about specific. I just want to see if the palliative solution was already assessed and improved by the PCSO just to make sure that the security of collection for the National Treasury or the National Coffers will really go to the government, hindi na madaya ng mga ECC. Yun lang po.
Yes po.
O i-cite mo nga, anong bago ngayon?
Your Honor po kasi
Sa issue ko
yung GMRR din po nila, nagbabago po yan kasi every 3 years po is subject sila sa renewal.
Madam, again, Madam, you never get my point. Pasensya na po. You never get my point. Magbabago yan na akyatan because of the population, but still your formula is still the same. But it never answered the issue about bookies. It never answered that issue about security of collection of government. Raising the GMR is a solution that is still a palliative solution for the government. What we are fighting here and what we are investigating here is all about illegal gambling operations, not only the GMR. And you in government, supposedly, you should make sure, because you're the agency entrusted by that STL, you should ensure that the government will lose nothing with regards to collection.
Your Honor, we are also wanting you po na to eradicate po din itong illegal gambling and to raise revenues po.
Yes, but what I'm saying is, babalik ako dun sa policy nyo. Wala. Nothing new. Raising the GMR will not solve the problem of bookies. Tama. ang sisihin natin lagi, yung enforcement agency. Kayo kasi enforcement agency. Yung iba sa inyo dan bad eggs. Kayo kasi enforcement agency, hinuhuli nyo na certified yan na kobrador. The figure will show, ma'am. The figure will not lie. That's why, again, I hope, pag-usapan nyo, ma'am, what will be not a palliative solution, but a strategic solution to curb illegal gambling operation or bookies with regards to STL.
We will
Kasi
Your Honor.
I am not satisfied with your answer. Kasi ang question ko is a matter of policy, not raising the GMMR of ACC, because raising of GMR of ACC, of course, additional collection or fund for the government or resources for the government, but that is not the solution for illegal gambling. Dapat ilagay natin sa isip natin that this is not the problem of the police alone. This is the problem of the agency that supposedly regulates its numbers game, and that is PCSO, madam. I hope you understand my
Yes po, I understand po.
position.
And andito naman po si Chairman being named the head of yung pinaka-policy making po ng PCSO po.
And I thank you, Mr. Chairman. That's all for now.
Okay, thank you, Congressman Padano. You really know what you're talking about. And I really admire you for that. And alam mo, GM, mas maganda siguro talaga ako dito si Mel Robles. But alam mo, ito, napakatagal na. Nung first term akong congressman, I was able, before I recognize Congressman Flores, singit lang ako ng konti. Yung tungkol dun sa tinatawag natin, nakalagay sa IRR nyo yung fixed terminal, yung tinatawag nating mobile or fixed terminal, na kung saan dito, talagang masosolve natin yung problem kasi from the kobrador, tapos tataya siya, diretso na talaga yung taya doon sa national system siya, di ba? And nobody can cheat that, di ba? So hindi nyo pa rin nasa IRR nyo, hindi nyo ginagamit. Why?
Actually po, pinag-aaralan na po ng yung
First term akong congressman,
STL core group
2007. 2007 sabi pinag-aaralan. We have invited a lot of those may mga system. 2007 yun. 2010 second term ko, pinag-aaralan. 2024 na ngayon, pinag-aaralan pa rin. Kasi kapag naglagay kayo ng ganito na may system na nagbayad nyo sa 10 piso, diretso yun, pag bayad niya, pasok yun, hati na agad yung pera. Ba't hindi nyo gamitin yan? Yan ang makakasolve ng problem ng natin. At makukuha pa natin yung tamang pera ng gobyerno para sa gobyerno. Pero hindi nyo ginagawa yan. Why? Ganun ba kahirap yung system? Ang dali na ng system ngayon, ha? Ang dali na. Magkaano lang ibabayad mo sa system? Magkakaroon ka na ng ganyan. Don't tell me na it will take you 2010. Ano na ngayon, pare? 2020. It will take you 14 years to come out with a study about the terminal, BOS. Boss ang tawag dyan, di ba? Oh. So, next time, with your boss, pagpunta dito sa hearing na to, assure us that this system will be implemented. Ang dali lahat naman ng mga kobrador natin, may mga cellphone na Baka mas maganda pa nga cellphone sa atin ng mga yun Oh. Di ba? That will solve the problem. Congressman Flores, please.